Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we bring you the hottest reviews of the latest rides in the game. And today, we've got something that's going to shake up the compact SUV segment once again. The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5. Sleek, refined, and athletic, Mazda has taken its best-selling SUV and pushed the envelope further, blending sporty performance with premium features in a package that's hard to ignore. So buckle up as we dive deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Mazda CX-5. Exterior. Let's start by taking a good look at this redesigned beast. Up front, the 2026 CX-5 flexes a bolder, sharper fascia that screams confidence. Mazda has doubled down on its Kodo design philosophy, and it shows. The front grille is larger and more sculpted, now featuring a black mesh pattern on higher trims that adds an aggressive flair. The iconic Mazda emblem is seamlessly integrated into the grille and is now illuminated in select trims, which looks absolutely stunning at night. Flanking the grille are sleeker LED headlights that feature adaptive lighting and new signature DRLs, giving the front end a more upscale, futuristic vibe. The hood has been resculpted for a cleaner, more muscular look with deeper creases that catch the light just right. It's elegant but still aggressive, a delicate balance Mazda has nailed. Moving to the side, the CX-5's profile remains instantly recognizable, but with refinements that make a big difference. Mazda's attention to detail is on full display here. The body lines are smoother and more aerodynamic, while the character line running from the front fender to the taillights is now more pronounced. This helps emphasize the SUV's athletic stance and gives it a more planted appearance. Depending on the trim, you're looking at stylish 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, with new designs that match the CX-5's sporty yet refined personality. Side mirrors are now slimmer and aerodynamically shaped, and in higher trims, they come with integrated turn signals, auto-dimming, and even memory settings. Mazda's use of chrome and blacked out trim depends on the trim level, offering either a classy or a more rugged look. And speaking of rugged, there's an available turbo signature trim that features gloss black accents, roof rails, and a higher ground clearance, a subtle nod to off-road potential without going full wilderness mode. Swing around to the rear and you'll see Mazda didn't phone it in here either. The 2026 CX-5's rear design is cleaner and more cohesive. The taillights have been redesigned with slimmer LED clusters and a new light signature that matches the updated front end. There's a subtle roof spoiler that not only looks good but also aids aerodynamics. The dual exhaust tips are now wider and better integrated into the bumper, especially on turbo models, giving off a sportier vibe. Mazda's choice of materials back here is solid and no cheap black plastic. Instead, you get painted cladding that matches the body tone in upper trims. Overall, the rear end ties the CX-5 together with a premium, almost European feel. Interior. Now let's talk about the interior, which is arguably where Mazda made the biggest leap forward. Step inside, and you're instantly greeted by a cabin that feels far more luxurious than the price tag would suggest. Soft-touch materials are everywhere. The dashboard design is clean, horizontal, and driver-focused, with an elegant mix of leather, wood, and aluminum accents depending on the trim. The 2026 CX-5 now features a larger 12.3-inch infotainment screen across most trims, running the latest Mazda Connect software. It's snappy, intuitive, and finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, you've got physical climate controls. Thank you, Mazda, for not going all touchscreen. The steering wheel is wrapped in high-quality leather and features a slightly redesigned shape for better ergonomics. It houses controls for audio, cruise, and driver assist systems. Behind it, a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster gives you customizable views, navigation, and driver info in crisp resolution. The center console has been reworked for more storage, while higher trims get a wireless charging pad, ventilated front seats, and a 10-speaker Bose premium audio system that absolutely slaps. As for space, Mazda has improved rear legroom slightly thanks to a more efficient packaging strategy, and rear seat passengers now get their own air vents, USB-C ports, and heated seats in top trims. Cargo space remains competitive, with around 31 cubic feet behind the second row and over 59 cubic feet with the seats folded down, enough for weekend gear. Costco runs, or a full-size stroller. Performance under the hood. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 carries over its proven powertrains, but with a few tweaks for better efficiency and responsiveness. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-4, putting out around 190 horsepower and 186 pounds-feet of torque. It's smooth, efficient, and perfect for daily driving. But if you want more punch, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is where it's at, producing up to 256 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet of torque on premium fuel. This engine turns the CX-5 into a sleeper SUV. It pulls hard off the line and delivers a satisfying surge of power when you need it. Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission returns, but it's been retuned for quicker shifts and smoother downshifts. It's not a dual clutch, but it behaves better than most CVTs in the class. Front-wheel drive is standard, while Mazda's i-Active all-wheel drive system is available in higher trims. Standard. This AWD system constantly monitors road conditions and can shift power between the front and rear wheels almost instantly for added traction and handling confidence. Speaking of handling, this is where the CX-5 continues to dominate its rivals. The ride is buttery smooth, but when you push it through corners, it behaves like a much smaller car. Steering is precise and well-weighted, and Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus tech helps maintain composure and balance through turns. The suspension tuning has been refined for 2026, offering a quieter, more composed ride even on rougher roads. It's the kind of driving experience you don't expect from a compact SUV, and that's the magic of the CX-5. On the tech and safety front, Mazda has upped the ante. All CX-5s come with i-Active Sense safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. A new 360-degree camera system, traffic jam assist, and front cross-traffic alert are available on higher trims, making daily driving and parking much easier. Plus, the updated driver attention monitoring system now uses infrared sensors for better accuracy. If you start to doze off, it'll know. Now let's talk pricing. Mazda has kept things competitive. The base 2026 CX-5 starts at around $29,000, while the mid-level preferred and premium trims range between $32,000 and $36,000. If you want the turbocharged engine, you'll need to step up to the turbo trim, which starts around $38,000. The top-of-the-line turbo signature, with all the bells and whistles, a leather, wood trim, premium sound, AWD, and full safety tech, lands just shy of $42,000. Considering what you get in terms of driving dynamics, features, and quality, it's an impressive value. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Mazda CX-5? This SUV is not just a pretty face, it's got the substance to back it up. It's one of the few compact SUVs that manages to be practical, stylish, fun to drive, and borderline luxurious, all at a price that doesn't punch you in the wallet. Whether you're a solo commuter, a young family, or someone who just loves driving, the CX-5 continues to hit that sweet spot. Mazda didn't reinvent the wheel here, but they refined every detail until it rolled smoother, looked sharper, and performed better than ever. That's a wrap on today's review of the 2026 Mazda CX-5. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next hot review. Got questions about the CX-5? Drop them in the comments below. Love hearing from you. Until next time, drive safe, stay stylish, and keep it locked on Trendz TV. Peace.